Hey guys, Mod on me here. I'm just going to show you what I got for a Smog kit from XRs only. And the reason why I went with XRs only is because I like the aluminum plugs, and sounds minor, but I like the black vacuum line plugs. One thing that I will do that I would suggest is these stamped out pieces have a little ridge on the outside, and I'm a little bit anal, so I'm just going to take a little sandpaper, but probably a little angle grinder, and just bevel off just that outer edge of that stamp, which goes in towards the motor. So, but a nice kit, and I purposely got this one from XR, and they have really good instructions as well. All right, thanks guys, later.